Hi, I'm Ben Fretwell and I'm the workshop manager here at Paddon Rally Sport in Cromwell. So I started with Mito a few years ago now. I did one apprenticeship with them and then carried on. But that really set me up in the industry, and I learned a lot of good skills and progressed further and got me to where I'm at today. So I've been working with the Paddon Rally Sport team for coming up 4 years in February. In that 4 years we've been in Cromwell and we've travelled all over New Zealand. Some of the guys have gone overseas, which is a great opportunity, and it's really cool to show what we're capable of all around New Zealand and the world. Yeah, so I never really imagined I'd find myself here, but motorsport's always been a huge passion of mine and my family's as well. So to turn something that was a passion and a bit of a hobby into a career, it's a cool thing. I've grown a lot over the last 4 years working in this industry, not only as a technician, but also in people skills, management skills, organisational skills, and it's a really cool industry where you actually see a lot of different things. You're not just focused on one job or one particular set of skills. So that's been a really huge area of growth for me. The thing that keeps me motivated in this line of work is it's always something different, and the adrenaline rush we get when we're competing at an event, especially when we're winning. It's a great feeling. The whole team coming together. You know, there's a lot of hard work that goes in before, during and after an event. So to know that you're part of something, it's just pretty cool, and to bring it all together on race days, it's an awesome feeling. If you're a young guy wondering what to do, I think find something that you do love, and something that you can see yourself doing for a period of time, and just put everything into it. It may sound easy, but it's a good thing to invest in.